Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out a productivity booster for anyone who works on the go, the Blackview 14-inch laptop screen extender, an ultralight portable monitor designed to turn your laptop into a powerful dual-screen setup. This portable display features a 14-inch Full HD 1080p IPS panel, delivering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles. With around 300 nits brightness and a 60 Hz refresh rate, it provides clear and smooth visuals for work, streaming, or presentations. One of its biggest highlights is the ultra-portable design. The monitor is extremely thin at around 0.17 inches and weighs close to 1.3 pounds, making it easy to carry in a backpack or laptop bag while traveling or working remotely. Setup is quick and simple thanks to its plug-and-play connectivity. You can connect it through USB-C or HDMI, and it works instantly without installing drivers. This makes it compatible with Windows, macOS, Android devices, and even gaming systems like Nintendo Switch. The extender is designed with a secure clip-on mount and adjustable kickstand, allowing it to attach firmly to laptops from 13-inch to 17-inch. It also supports multiple display modes like mirror, extend, portrait, and landscape for flexible multitasking. With features like low blue light eye protection, durable aluminum build, and wide compatibility, this screen extender is perfect for professionals, students, gamers, or anyone who wants extra screen space anywhere. Overall, the Blackview laptop screen extender is a sleek, portable, and highly practical solution for boosting productivity with a second screen wherever you go. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.